The world of 3D art is incredibly vast and varied, with talented artists from all over the globe continually pushing the boundaries of what is possible. From breathtakingly realistic simulations to mind-blowing projects, the possibilities with Blender 3D are truly endless. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the most impressive projects made with Blender 3.6 and the incredible artists behind them. Procedural Roots. The remarkable 3D artist, Andra, has crafted some incredibly magical procedural roots using Blender geometry nodes. Her innovative and intricate designs are a testament to the power and versatility of this tool. Andra's work not only showcases her exceptional talent as a 3D artist but also serves as an inspiration for anyone interested in exploring Blender geometry nodes. Seeing her work unfold in such a breathtaking way really invigorates you to delve into this dynamic tool and start creating your own 3D masterpieces. Stylized ocean waves. 3D artist CMZW recently astounded the digital art community with a breathtaking stylized ocean wave simulation. The artist utilized the power of Blender Eevee, a real-time engine with a photorealistic rendering capability, to bring this masterpiece to life. Cell fluids. If you're interested in creating realistic-looking fluid simulations in Blender Eevee and Cycles, then you'll want to take a look at cell fluids. This innovative new add-on, developed by Specular, leverages the power of geometry nodes to bring fluid dynamics to life in a visually stunning and authentic way. It's a must-have tool for any serious digital artist or animator looking to enhance their 3D modeling projects with high-quality fluid effects. Take your creativity to the next level with cell fluids. Bird Movement Generator. Miatin and Jesse has introduced an innovative approach to bird generator movement with the use of geometry nodes. This new technique features smoother turning tilt and 3 levels of feather detail, providing a more realistic and immersive visual experience. The system is fully procedural, meaning it can automatically generate complex forms from simple rules. A noteworthy feature is the body rotation and curve tangent aspect, which controls the wings, allowing for a more accurate depiction of avian flight. The entire movement of the bird is based on a curve that the user can create, offering a high level of customization and flexibility in animation. Roof Generator. David Ciscati, a renowned artist, has recently unveiled his innovative roof generator, a tool that is making waves in the art and design sector. He developed this tool with the assistance of Blender geometry nodes, a popular modern full node system for building and creating procedural content. His expertise in using these nodes effectively has allowed him to design a roof generator that holds the potential to revolutionize architectural design, showcasing yet again his ability to merge art with technology. Walking legs. Stefano Strani is a 3D artist and an avid enthusiast of Blender, a 3D creation suite that aids in various aspects of 3D production. Recently, he showcased an impressive new creation, a walking legs demo, using Blender's geometry nodes. This demonstration not only highlights his proficiency and creativity in using this powerful tool but also expands the boundaries of what can be achieved with Blender. Strani's innovative use of the software's features to create such dynamic and realistic movement serves as an inspiration to other Blender users and enthusiasts in the realm of 3D animation. Spiral Generator. David Ciscati recently showcased a new geometry node setup for Blender, known as Spiral Generator, which has revolutionized the way curves are used in digital design. This innovative tool allows users to transform simple curves into customizable spirals, exponentially expanding the creative possibilities in 3D modeling. The Spiral Generator not only enhances the flexibility and control designers have over their work but also simplifies the process, making complex spiral designs more accessible and easier to create. These projects are just a few examples of the incredible artistry and innovation that Blender 3D artists are capable of. With each new project, the possibilities of what can be done with Blender seem to expand exponentially. If you're looking to explore the world of 3D art, Blender is a great place to start.